Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on probability that is given in JEE Mains exam 2022. Now coming to the question, very interesting question. That is, bag 1 contains 3 red, 4 black and 3 white balls. Bag 2 contains 2 red, 5 black and 2 white balls. So this is uh, about the bags. So here bag 1 contains 3 red, 4 black, 3 white. 3 red, 4 black and 3 white. And bag 2 contains 2 red, 5 black and 2 white balls. One ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2 and a ball is drawn from bag 2. Now here need to observe this line very much. So here it is given clearly that one ball is transferred from bag 1 to bag 2. First of all, what we have to do is one ball we have to transfer from bag 1 to bag 2. After that, what we have to do that a ball is drawn from bag 2. After transferring a ball from bag 1 to bag 2, we need to draw a ball. So it is very clear that so before transferring there will be 3 red, 4 black and 3 white balls, means three different types of colors of balls, right? In bag 2 contains 2 red, 5 black and 2 white. There will be total 9 balls. If we transfer one ball from bag 1 to bag 2, there will be total of 10 balls in bag 2. That point we have to be noted. Right? After transferring a ball from bag 1 to bag 2, there will be 10 balls. Now the question is here, the thing is one ball we have to transfer from bag 1 to bag 2, right? That one ball, what about that one ball? One ball should be either a red or a black or a white ball. So there will be 3 events possible here. After that we have to draw a ball. Now the ball is so drawn is found to be black in color, so that back to what the ball we have drawn, that should be the black color, right? That is a black color, right? Then the probability that the transferred ball is red, what we have transferred, that ball is red, that probability we have to identify, right? Now here what are the events should happen? The first is transferring a ball, right? Now coming to the question. Now here let us say even with the event of transferring red ball, then if we transfer red ball, then how many red balls in bag 1? There will be 3 balls, so that probability of event 1 equal to 3 by 10. Now or else E2, transferring black ball, so that P of E2 equal to, then 4 balls are there black, so that it is 4 by 10. Then coming to E3, transferring white balls, so that P of E3 equal to, how many white balls are there? 3 white balls are there, so that is 3 out of 10. So now coming to the events that should happen first is, usually coming to the Bayes theorem type of problems, from bags we have to select the balls, so that the starting event should be selecting of bags. After that we have to select the ball. But here the question is completely different. Here the starting event is the ball should have to transfer from bag 1 to bag 2. That is about E1 E2 and E3. Why three events here is, one ball we have to draw, that ball may be red ball, that ball may be black ball, or that ball may be white ball, right? After this, transferring that, so transferring a ball completed now, and a ball is drawn from back to, now the ball should drawn from back to, right? The ball is so drawn to be formed is black color. Now from back to we have to select a black color ball, right? So that let A be the event which is associated with all the three events, right? So let's say, for suppose, A will be selecting a ball from back to, because of after the events over E1, E2, E3, immediately we have to draw a ball from back to, and that ball should be black in color. So what is A is selecting a ball from back to, and we have already know that A is the event which is associated with all the three events, A, E1, E2, E3. So that first P of A stroke E1 means after E1, A selecting a ball from back B2, selecting a ball, moreover that is black ball. So now what we have done is, first E1 we have transferred a red ball, so that the count of black balls in back 2 will not change. So in back 2, how many black balls are there actually? The black balls in back 2 will be 5 only, because of in event 1 we have transferred the red ball, so there is no change in the black ball count. So how many black balls are there in back 2? 5. So total balls will be 10, because of already 9 are there. After transferring one ball there will be 10. Then now it is P of A stroke E2, which means what? Selecting a black ball from back 2 after we have transferred a black ball only. Now E2 is what? We have transferred the black ball. Now already 5 black balls are there. After transferring one black ball, there will be 6 black balls total out of 10. Then P of A stroke E3. What is E3? Nothing but transferring the white ball. So there is no problem with the black. 5 remains 5 as it is. So that is 5 out of 10. Now coming to the question. The ball found to be black in color, the probability that the transferred ball is red. The probability event of red is what? E1. Already what we have found? Black in color. So that is what the probability, what it is asking is P of E1 stroke A, because of probability. We need to find the probability for ball is red. Already happened event is drawn ball is black color. The drawn ball is black in color, and the probability for E1 we need to get P of E1 stroke A. That is P of E1 into P of A stroke E1 divided by P of E1 into P of A stroke E1 plus P of E2 into P of A stroke E2 plus P of E3 into P of A stroke E3. Then what is P of E1? 3 by 10 into P of A stroke E1 5 by 10 whole divided by here 3 by 10 into 5 by 10 plus P of E2 4 by 10 into 6 by 10 plus again 3 by 10 into 5 by 10. So there will be LCM in denominator 100. So the numerator will be 15 by 15 plus 24 plus 15. So that 15 plus 24 plus 15, 30, and it is 54. So that is 3 5s are 3, 18s are. So what is the probability? Is 5 by 18. Thank you.